What's going on, y'all? Today I got a good one for you. Today we're going to talk about the cambered bar. Now, for those of you who are familiar with what a cambered bar is, you know what this is about. And for those many of you who don't know what a cambered bar is, this is the video for you. Now, I've gotten asked a lot of questions on like how to use it, when to use it. And I'll get to that. I got my notes with me just in case I lose track. Nothing wrong with keeping your notes when you're doing the video. So just from the looks of it, you can see the difference. You got your standard straight bar, right? 45 pounds. Then you have the cambered bar, standard 45 pounds still. The only difference is the curve. See the curve in the bar? That's the big difference. And that's basically gonna help you increase your regular bench press. Now, first note is the range of motion. When you're doing a regular standard bench press with the flat bar, you can only go to a certain point, right? Now, think of that with the curved bar, you're going an additional 2 inches, all right? You're traveling 2 inches further than you would with the straight bar. Simple as that. Now, what is that gonna do? That is gonna help you with that point that you don't normally work on. You're gonna get strong at that point as opposed to just working on the standards when you're doing a straight bar. That's that simple. So when you go from cambered back to the barbell press, if you do the program right, your bench press will be increased. Another key thing to be careful with this cambered bar is never, ever, ever, and I'm gonna repeat that, never, ever, ever go as heavy as you would when you're doing a regular standard barbell press. It's not gonna happen. You are basically trying to lift with your ego. Don't do it, because you will get hurt. Because just think, if you were bench pressing, I'm just gonna throw out 225. If you were bench pressing 225 flat, just imagine taking 225 and traveling an extra 2 degrees, 2 inches. That's a lot of stress on the shoulders. Don't do it. I've read when you're doing a cambered bar routine, you should go about 30 to 40% of your max. Okay, so just take whatever your max is and take 30 to 40% and work with that. You want to, I like to personally go, between the 8 to 12 range, because I just like to get that deep stretch. I'm not trying to lift heavy. I'm not trying to break any records. I just want to get that good stretch when I'm working out. So just be careful with that. And another thing too, let me see, let me double check. If you have any kind of shoulder injury, please be careful. I stress that a lot, safety first. If you have a shoulder injury, I don't recommend you using the cambered bar, all right? Now, if you're getting better with the shoulder injury and you feel like you can introduce it, fine, but please be careful. Do not go heavy on this. Right, so I've talked about the cambered bar, now it's time to use it. I'm gonna show you, and I hope you can see how deep of a range of motion I get on this with the cambered bar. So just check it out, all right? For me on the cambered bar, I like to go just a little bit wider because it feels more comfortable for me. Simple. All right, so I'm coming all the way down. Look how much further I've gotten, all right? 1, I'm gonna do 5 for you. 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope y'all can see the difference on that one. Much deeper range of motion. Now, I know traveling 2 inches, 2 degrees further may not seem like a lot, but when you do it, you're gonna notice it's gonna feel like it's deeper than that. That's not what she said, all right? Just for those of you who play that game. But I hope y'all like this video. Hit the like, hit that subscribe button, show me some love, and I'll see y'all next time.